Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toidel online class. Today we want to look at subtraction of polynomial. Subtraction of polynomial. So in this case, we are given P of x, Q of x, and R of x as what we have on the board. So how do we now subtract one polynomial from the other? That is what we are about to do. We start from the first question where we have P of x minus Q of x. So under subtraction, we have to be very careful. What is P of x? Let's write out the value of P of x. 4x squared minus 3 plus 3s plus 4 minus, we are going to put bracket there. Because this minus here, we control everything about Q of x. What is Q of x? 5x squared plus 6x minus 1. So we are going to have 4x squared plus 3x plus 4. The minus here, which is the operating sign here, is going to control everything there. So we have minus 5x squared minus 6x minus x minus then plus 1. Then we can now do the grouping here. 4x squared minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 6 plus 4 plus 1. At the end of the day, we are going to have minus x squared minus 3x plus 3. That's what we are going to get. So under subtraction, we have to be very careful. It is advisable to put whatever you want to subtract from the first polynomial into bracket, because that minus will control everything that you have there. The second question, that's where we have P of x minus Q of x. So in this case now, still the same thing. We just write P of x. P of x is, the first one is P of x minus, the second one, here should be R of x. So we are going to have R of x minus Q of x. What is R of x? 4x cubed plus 2x minus 3 minus into bracket Q of x into bracket 5x squared plus 6x minus 1. So here we are going to have 4x cubed plus 2x minus 3, minus will control everything there, minus 5x squared minus 6x plus 1. That is what we are going to have. Then if we solve that correctly, we are going to get 4x cubed. We are going to get 4x cubed minus 5x squared 2x minus 6x, then minus 4x minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and that will be the answer. Okay, we can only subtract or add polynomial with the same degree. S cubed, R half S cubed, S does not have. L Q does not have. Q half S squared, X does not have. So the two, S cubed and S squared, will appear. Then the third question, C, we have to find 3R. So we use 3 to multiply R before we solve anything. So 3, what is R? R is given as 4x cubed plus 2x minus 3. So we are going to have 12x cubed plus 6x minus 9. Then we have, here we have 2q. 2 multiplying q. Q is 5x squared plus 6x minus 1. So we are going to have 10x squared plus 2 times 6, that's 12x minus 2. So at the end of the day, 3R minus 2q will now be, let's list out what we have at 3R. That's 12x cubed plus 6x minus 9 minus, into bracket, 10x squared plus 12x minus 2. That's what we are going to have. So minus will control. Minus is going to control everything. Minus will control everything there. So that at the end of the day, we are going to have 12x cubed plus 6x minus 9 minus 10x squared minus 12x plus 2. Finally, we are going to have 12x cubed, then minus 10x squared, 6x minus 12, that's minus 6x minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. And that will be the final answer that we are going to get there. So under addition and subtraction, we should note that we can only add or subtract polynomial with the same degree, that is the same power. Thank you.